Hey everyone, today we're taking a close look at the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLB, the compact luxury SUV that just made its global debut. This second-generation model keeps that iconic boxy shape we all love but brings massive upgrades inside and out. It's now built on Mercedes' new MMA platform, offers both fully electric and mild hybrid petrol options, and still gives you the choice of 5 or 7 seats. If you're searching for a practical family SUV that doesn't compromise on premium feel or modern tech, stick around because this one might be exactly what you need. Let's dive in. Starting with the exterior. The new GLB is slightly longer and wider than before, with a wheelbase stretched by 60 mm. That extra size translates directly into more interior space without ruining the compact footprint. Up front you get a fresh grille with the star pattern, illuminated on the electric versions, full-width LED light bars, and flush door handles for better aerodynamics. The upright, boxy design still gives it that mini G-Class vibe, complete with proper off-road modes and decent ground clearance. Color options include classic shades plus a few brighter ones, and overall the look feels premium, modern, and instantly recognizable as a Mercedes. Moving inside, the cabin is where the biggest improvements show up. Second row legroom has grown by up to 68 mm, and the optional third row is now genuinely usable for adults up to around 1.71 meters tall. Material quality is excellent, with soft touch surfaces everywhere and plenty of customization choices. The star of the show is the optional MBUX superscreen, 3 displays under one glass panel, a 10.25-inch driver display plus 2 14-inch screens for infotainment and the passenger. The latest MB.OS powers everything, bringing a faster interface, generative AI voice assistant, and over-the-air updates. If you enjoy this kind of detailed breakdown and want more reviews like it, hit that subscribe button. Right now, it really helps the channel grow. Now let's talk powertrains, because this is where things get interesting. Mercedes is leading with the electric variants, badged as GLB with EQ technology, arriving in spring 2026. You get the rear-wheel drive GLB 250 Plus with 268 horsepower, and the all-wheel drive GLB 354 Matic pushing 349 horsepower. Both use an 85 kWh battery for up to around 390 miles of WLTP range, with 800-volt architecture that supports up to 320 kilowatts fast charging. Later in 2026, the mild hybrid petrol models join the lineup, using a 1.5-liter turbo 4-cylinder paired with a 48-volt system for smoother and more efficient driving without needing a plug. Early driving impressions highlight how refined the ride is, especially with the optional adaptive dampers. The electric versions deliver instant torque and near-silent operation, while the cabin stays impressively quiet even at highway speeds. Cargo space remains practical thanks to the boxy shape, and the electric models add a small frunk up front. So who is this car for? If you want future-proof efficiency, long range, and lower running costs, go for the electric version. If you prefer the convenience of quick refueling and potentially a lower starting price, wait for the mild hybrid petrol. Prices in Europe start around €59,000 for the EV, so expect something in the mid-$50,000 range in the US when it arrives mid-2026. That's the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLB, a compact luxury SUV that finally blends real family practicality with cutting-edge tech and powertrain choices. Let me know in the comments which version you'd pick, electric or petrol, and why. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.